Oh yeah, totally. Yeah, I think that's good. I was thinking about making predictions, but I wanted to refrain from it because, especially with rates, because, well, okay, I will make this thought anyways. I do feel like if the Bank of Canada's terminal rate is supposed to be between 2 and 3%, I don't really think we're going to get there. Just learning from history, from 2017 to 2018, they raised rates a full percent by the end of the year, and 1.75 overnight rate created a slowdown. In particular, your Torontos and your Vancouvers, and when those big city, mega cities are impacted, well, everybody for the most part will follow suit. So I'm not so sure that we're gonna get there or higher without seeing some major impacts on not only the market but everything in general. Obviously, we're going to see the cost of borrowing going up from lines of credit and variable rate mortgages. And actually, there's some statistics that show a great deal of originations of mortgages occurred in 2017 because of the announcement that the stress test would come. So many people purchased at that time, because I remember looking at qualifying for mortgages, and for many people, they only would get approved to buy the house they were living in at the value that it was that day. Like they didn't have the ability, like if they crossed over from 2017 to 2018, they would go from being a move-up buyer to not even being able to afford the house that they currently lived in. And that was like a prime example. That would be someone in a townhouse looking to move into a larger 2-story house. And so I saw a number of people move to beat that timeline, that stress test when it was incorporated. So it's not ironic that in 2022, 5 years later, a lot of these mortgages are coming up for renewal. So what's going to happen with those guys? How's that going to impact them? Kind of question the timing that everything is happening. But the other prediction I would make is prospective movers that choose to make now the time to buy and sell. I really feel like we're going to see the elimination of someone that just dabbles in that. People that want to move also have to move. You're not going to have someone that I'll move if I get my price and I'll justify whatever I'm going to buy, based on that. And you're going to get less buying before selling because, well, we don't know the magnitude of the change, and you can't count every penny to be there. If the market environment is changing, if you put your house for sale after already purchasing and there's adjustments to the market, how will that impact your affordability, your approvals, that sort of thing? Because, and then maybe that means reintroduction of more conditions or conditions back into purchases, financing, inspection, sale of someone's home, which we've gone away from for the last little bit. So if I had to predict, those are the ones I'd lean on.